Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Pepe. Wanted to do a full update. I mean, we covered it yesterday, of course, after the very swift and strong recovery after the flush. And since then, we have dropped down a little bit, and just in general, the market structure has become a little bit more clear. Right now, we're gaining some bullish momentum in this video, so we'll address that as well. But I just wanted to do a full video. I mean, if you look at it right now, like I said, the recovery by Pepe was very strong, but that's what you tend to see often with cryptos that were very strong before that as well. That doesn't necessarily mean that Pepe was going to break out, and that's what we talked about yesterday as well. And eventually, yesterday we actually broke below our support level at 7,000, which we talked about that. If that would happen, then it became more likely, and I still think that's the case, that we would consolidate a little bit. Now, we're getting some strong bullish momentum right here. But if you look at, and I need to look up some different sites for that. We looked at this yesterday as well, but this is actually very important to look at. But if you look at the statistics, and if you look at the numbers behind this move for Pepe, what you see is that the open interest did go up. But again, there was a lot of momentum, but it was not enough. And right now you can see that it's increasing again. But there's not enough confirmation to actually get a bullish breakout. Like, to get a bullish breakout in terms of open interest and in terms of momentum, you would need to see a move like this or like this, where basically you have a lot of bullish candles or just a ton of open interest gain in a short period of time, basically. So right now, like, sure, Pepe could break out. If it breaks out above its main resistance level, right here at 8,000 and potentially 8,500 if you want to look at it like that. If we break above that, technically we're going to rally up to 10,000, all right? So that's definitely a possibility. I'm just telling you that it doesn't look most likely right now. It looks more likely given the fact that the EMAs right here are not very much respected and are sideways right now, which is a clear indication of consolidation. And then apart from that, also getting a bearish confirmation, a bearish breakout below 7,000 earlier last night. It seems most likely that we'll just consolidate here. All right, so that means that we could spike up, and with this momentum, there's a good chance that we'll spike up towards 8,000. But ultimately, I also do think we're going to drop down to the bottom of the range, which for now, I would say is right here between 5,500 and 6,000. Now, I also don't think that we're going to get a bearish breakout. All right, so at this moment, I'm neither bullish nor bearish. And I still do think, given these market circumstances and given the strength that we've seen from Pepe, which in my eyes is one of the most promising meme coins still. I mean, it has a very high market cap already, of course. However, if you compare it with a market cap of, for example, Dogecoin, there is still a lot of potential here, especially when retail actually gets back into the markets. So for now, I think it's most likely we'll consolidate. All right, so I would expect and I would be prepared for a little bit of a spike up towards 8,000 and a bit of a spike down towards 5,700. Let's keep it at that. But 5,700 to me actually seems like a pretty strong buy level. At least if Bitcoin remains strong like this, I think that level will hold, and that eventually this consolidation will lead to a bullish breakout above 83, 8,400, so that we can actually rally up to 10,000. So I am still, if you zoom out, I am still bullish on Pepe. I'm just telling you that I think at this moment, if you look at all the numbers, it doesn't look most likely that we'll get a major bullish move. But then again, I mean, Bitcoin fundamentally is very strong. If Bitcoin breaks out, a lot could happen. So be prepared for that bullish breakout, but I would not take a trade on it right now. It's better to wait for confirmation then. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.